guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today I'm making a bee. So this is what the bee looks like. It's the first pattern I ever made, which was like 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, I'll be going through the whole entire process, so just stick with me. And yeah, let's get to the video.
Start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, and then move up to your 8 increase, single crochet increase, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. If you guys enjoy my videos, I would appreciate if you dropped a follow or a like. Once you get the feel of crocheting, it kind of comes like second nature. You just kind of know what you're doing all the time and what you should increase or decrease, or how much, how little. Making my own crochet stand has always been a dream of mine. So all these plushies you're seeing are things I'm going to be selling at my stand someday. I really hope this happens. I've been buying stuff for a stand, like a banner and tablecloth, etc. But I hope someday that this little hobby can become my job, because I really enjoy doing it every day. Okay, after those 5 rounds of single crochet, you color change into your next darker color, and you repeat that pattern of doing 5 rounds of single crochet, and then color change, and then another 5 rounds, and then until you end up alternating it 4 times. I just wanted to say that this background music makes you want to stare up at the stars late at night and just listen to the frogs chirp and let my worries just like melt away. Blush on the bottom of their eyes. This is the start of the decrease round, which you start with your 3 single crochet decrease and you go down until you get to your 8 decrease. Never forget your stuffing to your stuffed animal. We're doing the stinger now, which is 4 single crochet in a magic ring. Do single crochet increase and then around a single crochet, which slowly creates that point. Sew that stinger right in the middle of the bee's butt. Now it's time for the wings, which you start with 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Do a single crochet increase until you reach 3 single crochet increase, and then do 2 rounds of single crochet to level it out, and then do 3 single crochet decrease to pull it back in. After you sew those wings onto the middle of its back, it is time for the results.
These are the results, what I like and what I dislike about it. What I like about it, I love the blue color, how it's kind of like a blueberry bee. And it turned out very well. I really like it, all in all. But what I don't like about it, the wings, I had to use a different kind of yarn. It was like a blanket yarn I have to use for this because I ran out of yarn. Since I'm doing my yarn clean out, I'm using all the yarn I have to make whatever projects I can until I run out of yarn. So I only had this blanket yarn left, but it's not that noticeable, it's just a little stiff. But I still love it, it's really cute. These two will be up for grabs, for sale, so let me know if anybody wants it. I hope you guys love the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!